Hey guys and girls, it's Shayla here. I am just having a blast. Just a little update. Just want to talk to you guys. I just want to let you know that I'm gonna remix some songs sometime using my InDab Music account, making some pictures, hopefully more videos. Mostly me dancing, and I need lots of comments that can help me make better videos. Nice comments. Keep the comments G-rated. If I find a PG-rated comment, and PG-rated comments are ones that have swears in them, ones that are put downs, letdowns. Because I've read so many other people's comments, and so many people are like fucking arguing on the comments. They're like just people arguing. So if you guys do that on my videos, you're gonna get it. Because I know how to trace a computer and find out who it is, and I can find out who it is, and you don't want me to do that. I'm very bad. So I need lots of comments to help me out with this and stuff. So I need comments that'll help me make a better profile, help me make you guys more comfortable. I need lots of ideas. I'll do a question and answer. If you want to know more about me, just you guys can give me some questions and answers. You guys can add me on MSN, Shayla_3@hotmail.com. Give me some questions and I'll answer them. You guys can do dares and things. I do any kind of dares. I mentioned this in a video before, but I'm here to do and say what you guys feel is good. And I don't get naked. I like my clothes to stay on. So, you guys, I need comments. Keep them G-rated. And I also want some subscribers. Even if it's like $1. I don't really know what the word oh. Yeah, okay. So, I'll check with you guys later tonight.